Hey Jessica, so I just thought it would be easier to make a video and try to answer your question about creating a sign up. I can't remember if you wanted to create a sign up for conferences or workshops, but either way you could do it the same way I'm going to show you. And so what I'm going to suggest is that you just create a shareable Word document where students can go in and edit and add their names to it. And so I've just got a Word document open here, and you're just going to go ahead and create like a table or whatever you want that sign up to look like. So I'm going to insert that. Let's say that I want, I don't know, we'll say three columns and however many students you have rows, right? And so I'll just make maybe like 24. So that's what it's going to look like. You might put something like the date or the day of the week maybe, and then maybe like the time, and then maybe you want students to put their names in this last column. And so let's say you were having conferences on Wednesdays. You might just want to copy Wednesday down there and the night, whatever the time is, let's say 9 o'clock, say 9:15 or 9:20, however you want to do that. So you just fill out this table, and then students will have access. They'll be able to edit this if you create it that way. Okay, so you've got your table, however you want it to look. Maybe you want a title at the top that says conference sign up or something like that. Instructions for conferences. This is what you need to do to be prepared. However you want to set this document up. And then to create the rest of this shareable document, you're going to go up to share in the right-hand corner here and click on share. And I like to choose the option anyone with a link can edit, because that just allows all the students who have the link to go ahead and add their name in. So let's see. Who would you like it to work for? I guess you could choose, is it people in the Front Range EDU, like people at the institution, people with existing access? I think that's probably a good one. And then copy link, and then you're going to get the link right there. If you click copy on it, it copies it over to your clipboard. And then I like to just store that little link somewhere so I have it. So it just titles it sign up docs. So now if I was teaching a class where I wanted students to have access to this, I would just write something and say, you know, sign up here. Maybe I would put it on my D2L homepage. Maybe I would email the class, and they would have this live link. When they click on that live link, it should bring them to this editable document, and they should be able to go in and enter their names under the name column there, and that's how you can get everybody access and they can sign up. Now, because they're editing, you do run the risk that a student can go in here and take somebody's name off and put their name on. I don't really think any of our students would do that, but just be aware that if it's editable, it means they can edit anything on this whole document. There's probably a savvier way where you can just have them edit part of the document, like the name piece. Maybe you could do that in an Excel spreadsheet or something. But I've been using this type of shareable document, and it seems to work just fine. So I don't think you need to be too worried about it. So those are the steps for that. Hopefully this will work for you. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out.